Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. I am a student of class 10 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to explain the poem Dust of Snow. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. These lines tells that the author was standing under the hemlock tree. All of a sudden, a crow sat on the tree. The tree's branch shook, so the snow that was there on the branch fell on Otter, who exactly was standing on that place. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rude. These lines tells that the Otter's heart become happy when the snow fell on him, and his mood has changed from gloomy to cheerfulness. Instead of running whole day, Otter became ever and started to be happy remaining day. I hope you got to understand something from this video. Thank you.